Hi, in this video I'm going to teach you how to create new pages and edit your menus in Quick Elements. First, you want to go to Products, Websites, and click on Pages. Here you can see your already existing pages. You can add a new page or click on a page to edit it. Then you can change the title. You can add any blocks that you want. Up here at the top left, you can see a blue plus, which will show the blocks that you have available to you. Let's say that I want to add an image. I can drag this image in, look at my media library, and insert this image. Then let's say that I want to add a pattern. I can add this event, and then I can go ahead and publish. Now I have a new page. So I can view that page, and this is what it looks like. Now let's say that I want that page to be in the navigation bar. I can go to Websites, I can click on Menus, and then I can find the menu that I want to edit. Then I can find the page, which we called Hello World, and I can add that to the menu. Then I can save this menu. And now, when I go back to my site and refresh, you can see there's a new option here, which says Hello World. And when I click on it, it brings me to this page. Now let's say I want to go back to that page. I'll go to Pages. I'll find the page. Click on it. And let's say that I want to add a new title. Well, I can go here and I can add a heading. And I'll add it up here. And I'll say, hello. I can update, refresh, and now it says hello. If I don't want to show this heading up here, I can go ahead and hide that and update, and then it won't show that. And of course, you can do all sorts of things with this text. Like, for example, let's say that I want to align it to the center. And let's say that I want to make this an H1, which will just make it a lot bigger. And then I can update it. I can refresh, and now it looks like this. And of course, I can change the images. Let's say that I want it to be this image. I can select this. And let's say that I want to align it to the center, and I can update. And we refresh, and we can see that it's updated. Of course, this is just a few of the different things that you can do, and you can go through and look at all the different blocks, patterns, and reusable blocks that you have available to you. And you can use all of these blocks to really do anything with your website. You can go and embed YouTube videos or Twitter posts. You can add a product search field or products by categories or by tag. You can show reviews for a product. You could do filters or checkout. You can show all your products that are on sale. There's really a lot of stuff that you can do with all of these blocks that you have available to you. And if you have any questions about any of them, you can always email support@quickelements.com for more information.